Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate legal marketing with Hootsuite detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, create a Hootsuite account if you don't have one already. Visit the Hootsuite website and sign up for a new account. Choose the plan that fits your needs, whether it's free or a premium option. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Connect your legal firm's social media accounts to Hootsuite. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage Social Networks. Choose the social media platforms you want to link, such as Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access your social media accounts. After connecting your accounts, it's time to create a content calendar. Navigate to the Publisher tab in the sidebar. Click on Content Calendar to view your publishing schedule. Now, let's create a post by clicking on the Create Post button. Select the social media profiles where you want to share your content. Craft your message carefully, ensuring it aligns with your legal brand. Incorporate relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Add images or videos to enhance engagement. Once your post looks good, choose the date and time for it to be published. To automate, select the Schedule option instead of Post Now. Confirm your scheduling by clicking Schedule Post. Next, set up automation workflows with Hootsuite's features. Visit that Apps section to explore available integrations that can support your marketing. Look for tools that can help with content curation and audience engagement. Consider adding bots that can respond to common queries on your social media. Utilize Hootsuite's analytics to track performance. Access the Analytics tab to review engagement metrics and adjust your strategy accordingly. Monitor your posts regularly to ensure they are meeting your goals. Schedule regular check-ins to refresh your content calendar and ensure relevance. With these steps, you can effectively automate your legal marketing using Hootsuite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.